Very good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the mathematics 2 Pythagoras theorem, problem set 2, question number 12. Okay, so the question for this, the question is sum of the square of adjacent side of a parallelogram is 130 square centimeter and the length of one of its diagonal is 14 centimeter. Find the length of the other diagonal. So the diagram for this is, you have to draw the parallelogram where its sum of the two side is given 130 centimeter square and the diagonal AC is given 14 centimeter. So here ABCD is a parallelogram, and here the property of the parallelogram is diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, okay, and O is the midpoint of AC and BD. That means here what we will get if O is the midpoint, that means we can write over here AO equals to OC and BO equals to DO. So put this equation 1. That means AO equals to half of AC and BO will be, so first of all AO equals to half of AC and AO will be what? Half of AC is what? 14 centimeter. That means 14 we will multiply. So AO will be 7 centimeter. Now we will take the triangle. Which triangle we will take? ADB, where AO is the median. What it is? AO is the median. We will take it. So median means it will divide the two halves. We can use the Apollonius theorem over here. So we will apply Apollonius theorem. That is AB square plus AD square equals to 2AO square plus 2BO square. What by we will write? By Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem. Then we will substitute the value, that is AB square plus AD square equals to 130. Then 2 multiply. 2 will be taken as common. So to AO square is what? 7 square plus BO we have to find out. So BO square as it is we will write. That means 130 equals to 2 will be taken as common. 7 square plus BO square. So 130 upon 2, then 49, 7 square, then BO square. So BO square will be equals to 65 minus 49. BO square will be equals to 16. So BO we are getting 4 centimeter. But BO equals to DO. So it will be also 4 centimeters. So from equation 1 we can write this. So BO BD will be equals to BO plus DO. That means 4 plus 4 equals to 8 centimeter. That means BD value we got, that is the other diagonal, that is 8 centimeter. Now question number 13 is, in triangle ABC, segment AD is perpendicular to segment BC. DB equals to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square equals to 2AC square plus BC square. So the diagram already it is given in your textbook. The question, the diagram is like this. ACB, that means ABC and AD is the perpendicular to BC. It is given. So what we will take it, whatever it is given, from there we will start it. So DB is given 3 CD, that is given. So put it equation 1. But what we can write, CD plus DB equals to CB. It is because CDB, this line. Okay. Then what we can write it here, that is CD, that is CD plus in place of DB we can substitute 3CD. Okay. Then similarly CB you write it as it is. So here 4CD equals to CB. That means here CD will be 1 upon 4 CB. Okay. So put this equation 2. Okay. Put it equation 2. Then what we will continue, that is BD plus DC equals to BC. Okay. So BD plus DC what we got? 1 upon 4. But what it is? BD plus 1 upon 3, that is given only BD equals to 3CD. So in place of that we will write 1 upon 3 BD equals to BC. So here what we will get here, 3 BD plus BD upon 3 equals to BC. That means 3 BD and BD will be 4 BD equals to 3 BC. So BD will be equals to 3 upon 4 BC. Put it equation 3. Now we will use the Pythagoras theorem for the triangle. Which one? That is ADB. We will take the triangle. Angle ADB equals to 90 degree. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So in place Pythagoras theorem, that you will get AB square equals to AD square plus DB square. So AB square equals to AD square plus DB square. From Pythagoras theorem you will mention. So now in triangle, which triangle we will take it now? Another triangle, that is ADC we will take it. So here angle ADC is 90 degree. So here which formula we will use? Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square equals to AD square plus DC square. So previous one we will put this one as the fourth equation and this we will put it as the fifth equation, correct? So now subtracting equation 5 from equation 4. So equation 5 from equation 4, what we will get? AB square minus AC square equals to AD square plus DB square minus AD square plus DC square. So AB square minus AC square equals to AD square plus DB square minus AD square plus DC square from equation 5 and 4 subtracting. So here AD square DB square minus AD square minus into plus, that is minus DC square. So here AD square and plus AD square will be cancelled. So what is left? DB square minus DC square. So DB what we already got from above, that is 3 upon 4 BC. DC we got 1 upon 4 BC. So substituting these value, we will just expand this one, simplify, that is 9, 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. So 9 upon 16 BC square, and here 1 upon 4 whole square means 1 upon 16 BC square. So now we will take this one. So 9 BC square minus BC square upon 16. So 8 upon 16 BC square. That means 8 2s are, so half BC square. Now what we will do? This 2 will be multiplied. So 2AB square minus 2AC square equals to BC square. That means what we will get here? 2AB square equals to BC square, 2AC square plus BC square. Hence proved. Now question number 14. In an isosceles triangle, length of the congruent side is 13 cm and its base is 10 cm. Find the distance between the vertex opposite the base and the centroid. So here you look at the figure, that is ABC, where these two sides are congruent because it's an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So AB and ACE we have taken as equal. So here 13 cm, here also 13 cm. The base is 10 cm. Okay, so find the distance between the vertex opposite to the base. That means we have to find the value of AD and the centroid value also. That means triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB equals to AC equals to 13 and base is given 10 cm. So here AD, BE and CF are the medians. So median AD is drawn from the opposite vertex to the base, that is BC. That means AD is what? Perpendicular to BC. And what is the median formula over here we will use? That is BD will be equals to DC equals to half of BC. What again I am repeating? BD will be equals to DC equals to half of BC. That means BD will be equals to DC equals to BC is what? The base. It is given 10. So we are getting 5 cm. So in the triangle, that is right angle triangle, ADC what it became? right angle triangle. So in that right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem over here. After using the Pythagoras theorem over here, we can use the value. After putting the value on it, AD we will find. So after finding the AD value, put it equation 1. O is the centroid of the triangle ABC made by the medians. When three medians of the triangle intersect, that concurrence point is called the centroid, that is O. And the centroid divides the median in the ratio of 1:2. That means OD is to OA equals to 1:2. So let the common factor we have to take it as x. So OD equals to x. 1 means 1 multiply x. OA equals to 2 multiply x, that is 2x. That means AD is what here? OD plus OA. So here we will substitute the value of OD and OA, and then we will find the answer for the value of x. After finding the value of x, you will find OD equals to x, that is 4 centimeter, and OA equals to 2x, that is 8 centimeter. So the distance between the vertex opposite the base and the centroid is 8 centimeter.